5 minutes of listening.
Hello guys, my name is Anna. I'm 20 years old. I'm a second-year marketing student at New York University. Today, I'll share with you my study abroad journey. When I was 18 years old, I was an energetic person. I really loved discovering new things. That's why I was always active in studying and extracurricular activities. After a year, my hard work paid off. I gained a 100% tuition-based scholarship. Finally, I was able to follow my American dream. My university has a dormitory, so I live in it. There, I made friends with people who share the same interests and passions as me. We traveled to many places and made good memories together. However, life is not as la vie en rose as I want. I've been through a lot of difficulties. Since I live far away from my family, I have to do everything myself. I remember having a hard time experiencing homesickness. I called my parents every night because I missed them so much. But because of the time zone difference, I couldn't call them all the time. Sometimes, I did not know who I should share my problems with, so I just cried alone. I also have to work part-time jobs for a living. I want to be financially independent rather than asking my parents for money. I'm getting used to working after school now, but at the beginning, I was very stressed out. I finished classes at 6 p.m. and rode a bike to my workplace. I worked at a restaurant during my first year. My manager was a strict guy, so I had to be careful with every single task. However, I couldn't be as perfect as he wanted. I got scolded a lot, and all I could do was say sorry to him. Luckily, I had supportive colleagues. They always cheered me up and showed me how to do better. Gradually, I earned the manager's trust. He even encouraged me to try harder. Moreover, I also experienced gender discrimination at school. There was once when I had to work in pairs with a guy. His name was John. He thought that I couldn't do anything because I'm a girl. He didn't do anything, but always underestimated my abilities. He always cut me off and wouldn't let me finish my sentences. When we finished a project, I decided not to put John's name on the report. And I told the professor everything. As I expected, John received an F. I told him straight to his face that he should not look down on people, especially women. Apart from that, I am lucky enough to have friends from all over the world. We usually cook together and experience food from different cultures. It was honestly a bit difficult to taste different things at first, but I soon enjoyed all of them. In addition, I was also worried about the cost of living. Everything is too expensive. I had to take note of everything that I bought in a day. And whenever I want to buy something, I can't always get it immediately. I have to spend money on rent, water, electricity, and food carefully. However, I always try my best to save at least $100 per month. I also reward myself with a shopping day or a nice meal after working hard. This makes me think that life is not hard at all, and I'd better enjoy it every minute. Then I realized that this is what adulthood looks like. There will always be crises, but we have to overcome them to grow up. Life is a journey, and every experience that I've gained helped me become stronger. I hope that the ones who are listening to my story right now can feel the same thing. Be brave and be ready for your journey ahead.
Five minutes of vocabulary. Passion. Please repeat after me. Passion. Passion. Meaning a strong feeling of enthusiasm or love for something. Example, his passion for painting is evident in his artwork.
Passionate in his support of this concert.
His passion and his firm.
To pursue his passion for storytelling.
Now, I love your passion, but when I hear life
There, I made friends with people who share the same interests and passions as me.
Experience. Please repeat after me. Experience. Experience, meaning knowledge or skills gained from doing something. Example, she has years of experience in teaching.
School is a social experience rather than a learning experience.
It has been the premier experience of my life.
Consider this a learning experience, orphans.
Has been one of the greatest experiences of my life.
I remember having a hard time experiencing homesickness. I called my parents every night because I missed them so much.
Task. Please repeat after me. Task. Task. Meaning a piece of work that needs to be done. Example, the task was to organize the files.
This references a task force. What task force?
It was a simple task. It was a simple task.
Dragons. That's the first task.
He obviously felt compelled to finish the task.
My manager was a strict guy, so I had to be careful with every single task.
Colleague. Please repeat after me. Colleague. Colleague, meaning a person you work with. Example, she asked a colleague for help with the project.
Now, are we friends? Colleagues? Lovers?
We're colleagues. We were scientists together.
They are my colleagues, my friends.
Of course, there are my female colleagues.
Luckily, I had supportive colleagues. They always cheered me up and showed me how to do better.
Encourage. Please repeat after me. Encourage. Encourage, meaning to give support or confidence to someone. Example, he encourages his team to do their best.
Because they want to encourage our children to join them.
They knew the family would encourage us not to sue.
My parents, they encouraged it.
Talking about our feelings is now encouraged.
Gradually, I earned the manager's trust. He even encouraged me to try harder.
7 minutes of speaking. 3 minutes of reviewing. Question 1. Where did Anna stay when she was studying in the U.S.? A. In a hotel. B. In a dormitory. C. In her friend's house. The correct answer is B. Question 2. Why couldn't Anna call her parents all the time? A. Because of the time zone difference. B. Because she was busy. C. Because her parents broke their phones. The correct answer is A. Question 3. Where did Anna work in her first year? A. At a supermarket. B. At a bookstore. C. At a restaurant. The correct answer is C. Question 4. How was Anna's manager at the restaurant? A. He was strict. B. He was easygoing. C. He was rude. The correct answer is A. Question 5. What problem did Anna experience at school? A. Racism. B. Anxiety. C. Gender discrimination. The correct answer is C. Question 6. What did Anna reward herself with after working hard? A. A spa session. B. A shopping day or a nice meal. C. A gym session. The correct answer is B.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.